3 dates. And still no move? She's already losing interest. Women don't reject intimacy. What matters is who makes the first move, and how.
If you never act, she'll put you in the safe but no chemistry zone. The key is timing. At the right moment, hold her hand or say, "I want to kiss you, is it okay?" Right timing opens her heart. Between 4 and 7 p.m. her emotions and attraction are most alive.
Her guard is lower. The golden light makes her more open, more romantic. Many men think night is the right time, but late texts or drunken words rarely work. Seduction is not just how, but when. The right timing opens her heart. When a man hides his masculine energy, he also suppresses a woman. Treat this carefully. A trust like this doesn't often come twice. A woman's feminine glow. Attraction is polarity. When a man stands strong, steady, and confident, a woman feels safe to soften, to trust, to desire. But when he holds back too much, afraid, indecisive, her passion fades, her beauty dims. Masculinity is not loud words. It's posture, eyes, choices, actions. A calm strength that makes her relax and open. You don't need to be controlling. You need a spine, a stance, a fire. When you dare to be a man, she dares to be a woman.
She already knows you might be a brief spark.
When you appear at her lowest, when you meet by chance again, when your words echo what she longed to hear, she whispers, maybe it's fate.
Even with lessons from the past, she still gives one more chance. Not foolishness, just a heart that hopes for meant to be.
Sir. So when you approach her, don't think in tricks or tactics. She isn't prey. She's choosing to believe. Treat this carefully. A trust like this doesn't often come twice.
Hey, you again?
Meet her 3 times by chance, and she begins to believe it's destiny.
Once feels like chance, twice a question. But the third time, she starts to feel fate.
Psychology calls it the mere exposure effect. Familiarity breeds liking. 3 meetings turn a stranger into someone she trusts.
But remember, this is not stalking. It's respect. It's timing. It's letting her feel she discovered you by fate.
Let her believe it was fate, not your plan. That illusion may be the perfect beginning.
When he remembers her little details, her heart skips.
My fingers always crack when it's cold.
Here, this is for you. Voiceover.
It's not the gift.
This is emotional memory. For women, it carries immense value. Most notice the big things, but he notices her things.
Each remembered detail is a quiet signal. He invests thought, he pays attention. That creates trust and intimacy.
The strongest seduction isn't tricks. It's remembering what matters to her.
This isn't a lazy compliment. It's observation with thought and sincerity.
That beige one suited your skin tone better.
She falls for the man who notices her style, not for his taste, but because he sees her.
Women don't dress just to be looked at, but to be understood. From earrings to lipstick to outfits, each detail is a secret code of connection.
It's not about slick words, it's about truly looking at her, being seen.
She feels it instantly, the gaze sliding from chest to legs. And she marks him, only interested in her body.
Women sense gaze more sharply than men imagine. Even if she acts calm, inside she builds a wall, linking you with raw desire.
Unchecked desire turns into hunter and prey. A man who stares too long becomes unsafe. Smart men adjust, replace staring with appreciation. Notice her whole presence, not just one part.
Respect and curiosity draw the line. Master it, and when she imagines you sexually, it may shift from rejection to acceptance.
Desire isn't sudden. For women, it builds, layer by layer.
I hope you feel it too.
Sensual seduction isn't crude. It's the subtle signals that whisper of more. At first, she may laugh, pretend not to notice. But inside, the spark is already alive.
Excitement ferments inside her. She begins to imagine what if, the rehearsal before desire.
Women don't want to be forced. They want to be led into slowly losing control. That is true seduction.
When a woman feels restless and anxious, desire begins to search for a way out. Her stress, her conflict, her heartbreak, all amplify the craving for relief. It isn't exploitation, it's emotional balance. Comfort transforms into intimacy. With the right presence, her restlessness ignites into longing.
This you need, the flame.
Touch is the high voltage switch of desire.
For many women, the side of the chest near the underarm is an unexpected, sensitive zone.
But such touch only works when trust is built. It is not the opening, but the prelude. When her heart is stirred, your embrace from behind becomes protection and possession.
The shiver, the breath, the tremble. From that moment, her walls collapse.
When inviting her somewhere private, saying it too directly makes her guard go up. I just got a few bottles of rare wine. Want to try them together?
A clever excuse lowers her guard and makes the invitation feel natural. It's not a lie, but a reason that makes sense to Dweep, giving her a way to rationalize saying yes.
Your phone's dead, my place is closer, why not stop by to recharge?
She feels it's not forced, Ed, just a natural flow of events.
Guidance, not force, is what truly opens her heart.
Men often hesitate, afraid of rejection. But vagueness only raises her guard.
Direct, simple invitations feel natural, lowering her defenses.
Clarity builds trust. She feels safe, not trapped.
A light yet thoughtful approach is the essence of true seduction.
There's a small live music show tonight. Want to join me?
A casual touch can spark attraction.
Sharing an umbrella brings you closer.
Even a small touch can create sparks.
She starts to feel your masculine presence.
Touch is not the goal, it's the catalyst.
In love psychology, touch is the most underestimated, yet most direct form of seduction. Each moment together, each subtle touch, strengthens the unspoken feelings between them.
It mimics intimacy without rushing into possession, sparking curiosity and quickening her heartbeat.
Even the smallest touch, like gently clasping her finger, can awaken emotions and spark desire. This small gesture shifts her perception, from friend to someone far more intimate.
There are 3 secret switches of desire: the lips, the neck, and the ear.
The neck, delicate and responsive. Even a light presence can stir strong emotions.
You're trembling. I can feel your pulse racing.
I know you want to.
You may think sexiness belongs only to women.
When a man steps out freshly showered, glowing skin and a subtle fragrance send an immediate signal. In her mind, 2 messages appear. He takes care of himself, and he feels ready to be embraced. This is not loud or rough appeal, but quiet charm that awakens hidden desire.
Such simple cues act as a silent invitation, stirring her without words.
When she sees your freshly showered self as your most attractive side, you have created a lasting link to her desire.
Attraction is born from surprise, moments outside the script.
It is in these small, unplanned gestures that her heart begins to stir.
When light talk turns into a sincere confession, her world shifts.
A spontaneous touch says, "You matter, right here, right now." Such unexpected actions whisper, "She is unique. This is your moment."
When a woman locks her gaze for more than 3 seconds, it is already a signal.
The moment she looks away is the emotional turning point.
Connection isn't rushed. It's a delicate dance of unspoken understanding.
When you read her heart through her eyes, she feels understood.